it is asked to find out magnetic field at the center O. So for this, here it is given current flows I. Now, if you consider this way and this point is along this conductor, along this way. So as you know, that means when some point, suppose this is the conductor, current flows here, and along the conductor, whatever point you consider, at those points magnetic field is 0. That's why this part will not contribute magnetic field at all. Again, this, if you consider this way, this part, so this part is also along this point is along this conductor. That means because of this, there will be no magnetic field. So just you remove this part. Just you remove this part. This part has been removed. Now what is left? Current flows here only and I current flows here also. So in that case, because of this, you will get magnetic field at O. And because of this part, you will get magnetic field at this point. Now, if I consider this arc is of radius was R1, so therefore magnetic field, say let us say B1, due to the arc of radius R1. That will be what? Just you remember, in a circular coil, when current flows I at the center, magnetic field B is your mu naught times I by twice of the radius. R is the radius of the circular loop. This can be considered in other way also. That means as you are considering the entire circle, the angle at this point corresponding to entire circle, angle is what? Twice pi. So that means with respect to twice pi, your magnetic field is mu naught times I by twice of R. With respect to 1, unitary method simple, mu naught times I by twice of R into twice pi. Now, if I consider any angle theta radian with respect to theta, then magnetic field will be mu naught times I by 4 pi R into theta. So, with respect to theta radian angle, any arc you consider, any arc, current flows this, at this point, what is the magnetic field? Now, if this angle is theta radian, then magnetic field at that point will be your mu naught times I times theta by 4 pi R. So, this formula we are going to use here. Say B1 mu naught times I by 4 pi R. Here R means R1, radius given as R1. Now it is very much clear to you, in the question also you can see this angle is what? 90, that is your pi by 2. That angle is your pi by 2. So theta to be replaced by pi by 2. Then you see pi cancelled out, and B1 you will get mu naught times I by 8 pi, or simply you can write 8R, pi to cancel out. Next, another magnetic field, direction later on we will check. Now see, another magnetic field due to the arc of radius R2. A R2 karone kiman magnetic field here. So I to B2 boli koi dia. Let us declare as B2. And this angle is also your 90. That will be mu naught times I by 4 pi R, radius ever R2. So R2 into theta. In this case also angle pi by 2. Then if you simplify this, pi cancelled out. Here also mu naught times I divided by 2 4s are 8 R2. So magnitude of magnetic field B1 and B2 we have calculated, and these two magnetic field due to the current in this arc or in this conductor. Other two conductor, and this point as it was along the here was the other conductor and another conductor was here, and these two were along the direction of the point, or you can say this point is along the conductor. That's why for this there will not be any magnetic field. যিখিনি magnetic field আহিব এই দুটা থকা কারেন্টৰ কাৰণে. After that, so B1 and B2, so net magnetic field, do one thing. Now direction of the magnetic field B1. So base to A, B1 current flows in this direction. Current flows in this direction. Just you imagine you are walking in the direction of current on the way, and to your right side that is cross, to your left side that is your dot. So if you move this way to your right side at this point is to the right of the conductor, এনেকে ভাবা কারেন্ট এই ডাইরেকশনত ফ্লো হৈছে, তো তুমি যদি ইয়াৰ পৰা এনেকে খোজকাঢ়ি যোৱা ৰাইট সাইডে পইণ্টটো ক'ত আছে, কোন পইণ্টত লাগে, এইটো পইণ্টত, তো ৰাইট সাইডে চাই আছা, তো ৰাইট সাইডে চালে ক্ৰছ, তো ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড হিয়ার ইট উইল বি ক্রস. Similar way, if you walk from here to here, then this point to the right of you, যদি তুমি এনেকে খোজকাঢ়ি আহি থাকা কারেন্টৰ ডাইৰেকশ্যনত, তোমাৰ এই পইণ্টটো ৰাইট সাইডে আছে, গতিকে ৰাইট সাইডে থাকিলে মই ক'লোৱে কি হয়, ক্ৰছ, তো ডাইৰেকশ্যনো পাই গ'লো. এতিয়া টোটেল ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড সিম্পল প্লাস কৰি দিয়া, B ইকুয়ালস টু B1 plus B2, that's equal to, now take the sum, mu naught I by 8R, mu naught I by 8R2, it is sorry R1. So what is common? Mu naught I by 8 common, so mu naught I times 8 common, within bracket 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 equals to mu naught I by 8 into, if you take LCM, R1 R2 LCM, then R2 plus R1. Now see, I think last option is matching with this. This is your answer. Thank you.